All right, y'all. Welcome back to another trade recap. Today is February 10th, 2026. And as I can see by the title, I took another loss today. And this one is very, very unfortunate. I thought this trade was A plus, literally A plus trade that I took. And bro, I literally just got manipulated out. I mean, there's nothing else that I can say that I'm mad at this trade. I'm not mad at it at all. Like I would take this 10 out of 10 times. Any single day, if this trade popped up, I'm taking this 10 out of 10 times. Um, yeah, man, I'm back again on a losing streak, and I feel like every time I come on here to talk about my trades, I'm just on a losing streak. And I like at least today I can say that I followed my rules and I was more patient. I didn't feel FOMO. I didn't feel none of that. I was just patient, look for my model, and it presented itself. And like I said, if this would show up any other day in the markets, I'm taking this 100%. Um, but yeah, as I can see, on the screen, I got manipulated out. So let's go ahead and get into it, okay? So coming into today, I was bullish, and this is why, okay? I was bullish because as y'all see right here, we were trading inside this 4 hour gap, okay? We were trading inside this 4 hour gap, but we did have his SMT at the highs, okay? And even though we had his SMT at the highs, I was disregarding it because yesterday we still had this SMT, but we kept pushing up. So I'm like, okay, we're obviously not going to go lower, okay? We're obviously bullish. We had this daily gap from yesterday that we completely disrespected. So I'm like, okay, we're obviously going higher. We're not going to go shorter. Even though we have this SMT on the 4 hour, we're not going short, okay? So as you see, we're in this 4 hour gap. I'm like, okay, cool. Go down to the hourly. In this hourly gap, we're respecting it. Cool, okay? So boom, now we go down to the 15, okay? We had two 15-minute gaps right here, right? But we inversed them. But still, I'm still bullish, right? I'm not leaning towards shorts at all. Higher time frame is showing me that we're bullish. We're inversing the daily. We're respecting bullish gaps. We're respecting bullish structure. So I'm looking for longs today, okay? So boom. We did have news today, and I'm going to get into that right now. So we had news right here at 8:30. Actually, I'll go back for y'all. I'm going to go back for y'all real quick. We had news right here at 8:30. I'll go back to 9:30 so y'all can see what I'm seeing, okay? We had news at 9:30, okay? News right here. And I think we also had Asia lows right over, let me see, right over here, okay? I'm going to go back for y'all boys. Okay, we had Asia low right here, okay? So, this is what I was seeing, okay? Boom. This was open, market open, okay? So what I wanted to see, so originally I thought we were going to tap these 15-minute gaps and then boom, push up from here, but we didn't, right? First 5 minutes was a little choppy, okay? Chopping, and then boom, we ended up going lower right here, boom, okay? Going lower. We took out data lows, okay? So we took out data lows. Boom. So right here, I was looking for a long, right? But when I seen this inverse, because we inverse right here, and I want to fade. I faded this one. I didn't take it. I'm like, okay, we still have Asia lows below, right? We still have Asia lows below. At the time, we did have SMT at these lows right here with ES. But I was like, we still have Asia lows below. So this kind of looked like premature. I'm like, I don't want to get in this. I want to see Asia low get taken. So there's no reason for us to go back lower, right? So I thought this move was manipulation, okay? And I was right about this. That's exactly what happened, right? If you would have took this short, you would have got stopped immediately, okay? So then, boom. We end up taking out Asia low, right? So I'm like, okay, cool. Now, if this inverse is right here with clean displacement, I'm getting in. Because I don't see no reason for us to go lower, right? We had this low, boom, we manipulated lower, took out this low, and now we can make the move, right? As so I thought. So boom. This was all live time. I was in Discord with my brother. I was saying this is exactly what I wanted to see, okay? So now I'll send them. If I get a clean inverse right with clean displacement, I'm getting in 100%. And that's exactly what happened. A clean flip. Clean flip. So I'm like, boom, I smacked this right away. I didn't even hesitate, nothing. And we made a gap. We're not pushing up. And I even told my brother too. And I wasn't debating on getting out because I was so confident I didn't want to get out. But I was telling my brother, I didn't like the way we were chopping around right here. We had, like, if we were going to truly go up higher, we should have just straight displaced higher and not mess around right here. As y'all see, we're just chopping around, nothing, and then boom, I get stopped. And after this, I'm like, I'm done. Because last week, I was making mistakes of me just buying more accounts and trading the same day. My emotions were all over the place. And I'm like, bro, I'm not even going to do that. I take a loss, I'm just getting off. I'm not even going to waste my time. I'm getting off. I want to better my habits. I've been saying that. And for those 2 weeks that I almost passed my account, I was good on my rules. I was good on everything. And last week, I fucked myself over by, buying more accounts, over leveraging, trying to pass in one day. And I learned from it. So I'm like, I'm just going to get off. But as I can see, as soon as I got stopped out, what happens? Okay. Boom. Stopped out immediately. And then boom, what happens right after that? Boom. One candle. Next candle. Straight displacement. And I was like, damn. You know what I'm saying? I just got to manipulate it out. Okay. I mean, I don't know what I can learn from this trade. Maybe I should have waited for more manipulation. But then again, I'm like, I've seen this play so many times where we sweep out liquidity, inverse, and we manipulate down again, and then boom, clean inverse. So I'm thinking like, why would I want to wait for another resweep and run the risk of missing this whole move of going up higher just because I want to see another resweep, right? I was so confident that we had everything I look for in a trade. This is literally 8 plus. Like I said, I would take this 10 out of 10 times every single day. And yeah, I mean, this is good displacement right here. And then we ended up running from here, literally. As y'all see, ran straight to my draw. So, I mean, I don't know what to say. Like I said, maybe I could have waited for another manipulation lower, but I thought this was already manipulation after we took out this other swing low. I didn't want to see another manipulation lower, but I mean, it is what it is. Take a loss. I'm not mad at it. I am upset because, like, bro, I knew my draw was right. I knew everything I said was right. I literally caught it to a T, and it just didn't work out. So I can't be mad at it. I follow my rules today. I take it as a W. You know, losses are part of the game. Even the A plus models are not going to work, right? So I'm not mad at it. It's just unfortunate that I got stopped down. We run straight to the draw, literally within 5 minutes, right? So I mean, yeah. I mean, if y'all have any comments of what I could have done better, maybe wait for that manipulation leg. Let me know down in the comments. But just unfortunate. I'm gonna buy another set of evals. Gonna try to pass those, and yeah, that's all I got for today. Make sure y'all go follow me on TikTok at Tone Trades. And if y'all are new here, make sure you like, comment, subscribe. Go ahead and share my channel to your friends. I'm gonna keep posting every single day trade recaps. And yeah, that's all I got for y'all. I'll catch y'all on the next one.